And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
It is 6:43 on this Tuesday morning. Good morning to you. Hope it's going great for you so far. As you step outside, you may want iced coffee again today. We're off to another warm start, which I'll get to in a second. The difference this morning is we have a little bit more cloud cover moving into the valley, and you can see it streaming in from the north. So we are waking up with a decent amount of cloud cover. In some areas, a little bit more overcast than others. Let's go outside courtesy of Sky 5 and take a look at the sunrise out there this morning. Officially at 7:01 this morning, but you can see the amount of cloud cover kind of reflecting the light out there. Still have a beautiful sunrise though, with those pastel pinks and purples out on the horizon. Really not a bad start. When you go back to the map, you'll see temperatures. Here we go. 78 degrees for you in Brownsville this morning to 81 in McAllen, 80 for you in Harlingen and here in Weslaco. Now we do have a very calm wind compared to that gusty wind we had yesterday. Nothing like that today. East to southeast winds will stay relatively light, 8 to 16 miles per hour. Your day planner forecast does call for a mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures will rise from 82 to 95 by midday. 100 is your forecast high. Back to 98 for your drive time home. Now I did put a shower or two here in the forecast. Not everywhere will get the rain, but I'll show you how much of the valley could actually get to see some rain showers. High temperatures today, city by city, Rio Grande City, McAllen, and Edinburgh all will sit around 103 degrees today, 100 here in Weslaco, 99 down the I-69E corridor in Raymondville and Harlingen to 97 in Brownsville, and 90 degrees for you on the island. Heat index values still between 105 to 110 for several hours today, so definitely a hot one. Now taking a look here at Future Track, I think it's overcompensating for the amount of moisture in the valley right now this morning, so I'm not calling for rain just yet. However, as the afternoon rolls around, we get that daytime heating going. We could see enough moisture. Well, we have enough moisture. We could see a few showers pop up along the sea breeze front this afternoon. So there could be pockets of heavy rain at times, but for the most part, a lot of cities in the valley will remain dry. Overnight, partly cloudy, then tomorrow, much like today, but a little less coverage. So we're going to leave it at 20% or so, but you notice that most of the day, just really not a whole lot going on. It's just another hot and humid one. 20% of the valley will get a shower today, tomorrow. By Thursday, however, that goes up a little bit more. 40%, so a little bit more scattered activity. Has everything to do with the increasing moisture from the north as well as from Tropical Storm Franklin. Currently moving over the Yucatan, it made landfall overnight as a tropical storm, still holds its tropical storm status. And as you see, this particular storm will continue to make its way west to northwest into the Bay of Campeche over the next 24 hours. Now, once it's over the bay, it does have the potential to strengthen a little bit, but right now the National Hurricane Center has kept it as a tropical storm as it makes its landfall early Thursday morning south in Mexico. Now notice that this particular forecast track is a little bit farther south. Yesterday this included portions of Tampico. Now it's a little bit farther south. So that means for us here in the valley, we'll still get bands of moisture moving in, just not as deep as it originally had intended to be. So with it a little bit farther south, it kind of brings the rain chances down a smidge. Just yesterday we had it at 50%. We've bumped it down a little bit more to about 40% for tomorrow or by Thursday. And then from there, high pressure takes over, and basically what's going to happen is we dry out. So here we go. As you head out to the coast today, a light chop on the bay, near shore waters 2 to 3 feet. No advisories, but over the next couple of days that'll change as Tropical Storm Franklin continues to make its way and impact Mexico. Although that's far from the south, it could still cause rough surf here back at home. So here we go, 100 degrees today with an isolated shower or two, and that again is possible tomorrow. Most of the valley will remain dry. High temperatures near 98. 96 for Thursday. We have a little bit more rain coverage, a little bit more clouds, so that'll lead to temperatures being right around average. Same thing for Friday, but your rain chances are scaled back 20 to 30% at this point. We're back to dry conditions for the weekend, 99 to 101 to wrap up Sunday, and that's exactly how we'll start next week. Your overnight lows will stay in the upper 70s for the next 7 nights. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.